gills were. He was a little unsure of that, so he was being very cautious, and I thought that was appropriate. He is going to be a very, very safe horse to drive. Well, for a start, he already is, but he's got a little bit of 2-year-old-itis. That's okay. He's a 2-year-old. Yes, there's Papa. And he's got the feed bucket out, doesn't he? Gale. Whoa. Whoa. Headed toward the barn. Dad out with a feed bucket. Took a little bit to convince him. Look at his poor tail with all of the wind in the hairs. It's got it standing straight up. Walk on. Did you just notice that cone? Hello, little bird. No, little bird. Wonder what happened to the bird I saved yesterday. One of the cats brought it into the house. That would have been fancy pants. Turned it loose. It flew up into one of the fly strips. Got stuck. So I got it unstuck. Unfortunately, it left some feathers there. And then washed it, get all the goo off of it. And we took it outside and it started to dry off. I don't know what its final end was. But while I was washing it, it kept taking drinks out of the faucet, so that was a good thing. Hi, Nikki. Hello, Nikki. Got babysitting duties. I always chuckle. Yep, she's got all the calves. That was very polite of you. We almost ran over that dog's tail. Hello, Dunny. And Spirit, and Stormy, and Raven, and April, and the old mare. She'll get her grain later. Over there we see Bellstar to the right, and Buster to the left. Right over the hose, what a good boy. Ugh. And whoa. Now I want you to come back. Pay attention. Back. Back. Come back. All 4 feet. Left hind is stuck. Come on. That's a good boy. Mm-mm. Are you ready to stand quietly? Nope. Come back. Now, whoa. Nope. If you won't stand quietly, we're going to go back out. Whoa. 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 Keep it up, you're going to go back out. Whoa. Whoa. Keep your face straight. Whoa. Whoa. You have to stand for long enough I can get out of the cart. If you don't stand, I can't do that. Good boy. Whoa, you're okay. Head straight. Okay, I would like you to step back up a step. Whoa, right there.